How to make product video ads with Creatify AI. What you need to generate a product video ads is just a product link. Well, Creatify AI is a powerful AI tool to make video ads for any business you have. You just have to insert a link, and Creatify AI will make the best videos for your product automatically, with an AI avatar or without it. Whatever you need or you want. Now, let's begin. I add a link for you to get free credits. Click on it. Then you will see this page like as me. Then click on this option. The sign-up process in this AI is really easy. Use your Google account and finish. I consider that you have a product link and want to make a video ads for that product. This link could be from Amazon, Shopify, Temu, or any of these online marketplace. Copy the link and paste it here. Click on this option to continue. It will analyze your product link and automatically give you the details you need for your video. Of course, you can edit any parts you want. This is the description about your product. Remember, it is not the script. Read it, and if there was any problem or if you want to edit it, you can do it easily. This section is for highlighted keywords. If you need to highlight them, just click on them and choose easily. And the most important and amazing part is where that Creatify AI grab all the assets from the product link that you can use in your video. It is amazing. It means that you don't need to search for any images or videos. Just select which one you want, and Creatify will automatically make video ads for you. Also, as you want to add any specific image or video, you can upload it from Upload option here. And there is a promotional option here. Imagine there is a product that is currently on sale. So you can use this feature. Turn it on. Add the original price in the first box, and add the promo price in the second box. It will automatically calculate your price and discount percentage, and you can use these perfect promotional details in your video. Imagine you don't need to calculate for yourself that how much money will decrease for each product. Especially when you have lots of product to promote. It is legendary. You can choose any of these keywords now. In the next page, you have to choose the video platform, video aspect ratio, and the duration you want more. As you can see, it has too many options to choose, which is great. In the next part, you can choose the language you want. As you can see, Creatify AI support too many languages. You can make videos in any language you want. Choose your desire. I choose English. In the last part, you see target audience. Creatify AI will automatically detect your product target audience and will give you some keywords. You can choose any of these, and also you can add your desired target audiences. In the next part, you will have your video script. If you have a specific script, you can paste it here easily and continue. But if you don't have, Creatify AI generate too many scripts in different purposes and many tone of voices which you can change them to. You can read each them you want and easily choose them. And you can see here that Creatify added the keyword details you choose in scripts, like discount you mentioned. It is amazing. Now, choose based on your needs. Then go ahead and continue. The next section is for choosing a good avatar. You can use realistic or styled avatar based on your favorite. There are too many characters here that you can choose. Also, there is a filter bar here to find your favorite one easier if you want. You can also create your own AI custom avatar from this third section, which I already explained about this part in the previous video in this channel. I want to choose this one now. And these are product video ads created by Creatify AI. Amazing. You can see different type of videos based on different trends category of the day. For example, cute pets, response bubble, emotional video ads, and other ones you can see here. You can use any of these video ads, and you can also edit them. Or you can directly render and download it easily. If it is okay, click on Render and Finish. If you want more edit on the desired one, click here. This is a really easy editing tool. Each part here have a separate edits. If you want to edit this part, click here. Now you can change any parts here. The caption fonts, size or style. The overlay image or video size or location, or anything you see here. At the end, click on Back option here. You can do the same for each part of your video. And here you have some other elements that you can edit them separately. You can remove or change them. You can change the color or anything you see here. It is really easy. Just click on each item you want and make the changes you need. After all changes, you can render your video and then download it. For render the video, you need some credits. By the link below, you get some free credits to start using. And to get more, you need to upgrade your account. I get a Creatify coupon code for you to get discount up to 75% on different plans. Choose your desired plan. Then add this coupon code. I added this in the description. As you can see, this is the best deal. Use and enjoy. After you render your video, it will generate for you in this section. Check it and download your video easily. By the way, in the new update of Creatify AI, you can access to all over perfect ads that recently created, and you can get inspiration from these ads. You can see the strategy behind each advertisement and improve your video ads. Also, you can track your competitors and see what are they doing and improve your works. This feature is awesome. Remember, you have to log in to use this feature. Link is in the description. And one last point. Remember that a video with a good face can have a better impact on your customer in any business than a video without a face. So join this new world.